mga tagasunod ng isang tinatawag na Kristus, yun pong palabas ng pelikulang Da Vinci Code, yun po ay labag sa istorya, labag sa Biblia. Kahit po sa Biblia, pinapatunayan na si Kristo ay namatay. At pagkatapos, ayon sa Biblia, nabuhay siyang magmuli. Sa Da Vinci Code, ang Kristo raw ay hindi namatay, punta raw sa Pransya, nagkaanak. Hindi ho totoo yun dahil mismong yung historiador ng Roman Empire na si Tacitus ay isinulat sa history ng Roman Empire na namatay talaga si Kristo, pinako sa krus. Basahin po natin ang annals ng Roman Empire. Ganito po ang ating mababasa doon, kapatid.
Roman History Annals 1544. The Roman historian Tacitus wrote concerning the great fire of Rome in Book 15, chapter 44 of his Annals. Nero fastened the guilt and inflicted the most exquisite tortures on a class hated for their abominations, called Christians by the populace. Christus, from whom the name had its origin, suffered the extreme penalty during the reign of Tiberius at the hands of one of our procurators, Pontius Pilatus.
Ayon sa istorya ng Roman Empire, yan hindi bahagi ng Biblia yan History yan ng Roman Empire. Pinapatunayan ni Tacitus that there was a group of the population that were subjected under Roman rule, which they called Christians, whom they hated and was blamed for the great fire that occurred in Rome inflicted by Nero, Emperor of Rome. Itong si Nero, pinasunog yung Roma, pagkatapos ang sinisi yung mga Kristiyano. Ito raw mga Kristiyanong ito, ayon dito sa istorya ng Roman Empire, mga tagasunod ng isang tinatawag na Kristus na kanilang pinatay, who suffered the extreme penalty of death during the reign of Tiberius Caesar at the hands of one of their procurators, Pontius Pilate. At yan ay pinapatunayan naman ng discovery ng archaeology that there was really a Tiberius and a Roman procurator named Pontius Pilate. Kamakailan ay mayroong natagpo ang isang clay tablet, isang limestone, bearing the name Tiberius Caesar and Pontius Pilate, proving that they really have existed. Basahin natin, kapatid na Daniel.
In 1961, an Italian archaeologist discovered a limestone at Caesarea Maritima, Israel. On the face is a monumental inscription written in Latin, which is part of a larger dedication to Tiberius Caesar, which clearly says that it was from Pontius Pilate, prefect of Judea.
That limestone is a proof, a physical proof, a tangible proof that there was really in history of the Roman Empire a Tiberius Caesar, and there was really a Pontius Pilate. And this Pontius Pilate and Tiberius Caesar were responsible for the death of a Christus, of Christ, who was the leader of what they call the Christians, whom they hated. Pinapatunayan lang nito na si Kristo namatay. Diyan sa Da Vinci Code, si Kristo raw nag-asawang, napangasawa si Maria Magdalena, pagkatapos nanganak, at ang isa sa mga anak, wala nang paniniwala sa Biblia at wala pang paniniwala sa istorya. Ang isinulat niya, puro alimuom, puro mga alimuom, puro mga katha-katha.